there's a few things you have to uh, you must check in it, like mm, first how to send a mail, the first part. Okay, so I'm going to send a mail to myself, to another mail account. So like this, to Latif Sheikh. Okay. So this is my main mail account anyway. So I'm sending to my account, and CC. I put a CC. So Latif Sheikh at the rate live.com. Okay. Subject is test mail one. So subject test mail one. Okay. Send it. That's it. Now it is sending message one of one. Okay. Now message sent. So go to the sent items. You can check message sent or not. If it is not sent, it is will be in a out box only. If it is not sent, it is showing in a out box. If you compose the mail and you didn't send it, it is in drafts. Okay. So that is it. I send a mail, then whether I received or not, I'll check it from here. Okay. Yeah, I got a mail in a primary only. So this is the mail I got it directly. So I'm going to reply. I put it mail received. Okay, it is directly there. So mail received. Just I click send. I put a reply, not reply all. So remember that. And I sent to live also, right? So this is my live account. I got a mail also. So we'll check it. This is CC mail. Okay, so let it load. It will take time. Okay, to address who I got a CC address. See, automatically I'm in a CC, and this is to, and this is from. Okay, this is to, and this is to, this is CC, this is from. If you want to send, reply means reply to this user. Reply means who send it, reply to that user. Reply all means everybody. I click on reply all. Everybody in the list. Reply all. Okay, message received. Something I type it, so I click on send. So you can check it. Not it is. Okay, Akshay permission. Very good. Okay guys, so if you see, this is the message I received from there. Okay, so like this to me and other two people, right? Here it is two, I sent to one person only. Okay, only one. Here so two address is my address, CC is like okay, like this. Here it is, I reply okay, to this one, reply to this subject. Okay, and I have to see the mails, right? So here whether it is loaded with the mail or not, I have to check it. Okay, here it is not showing new mails, right? So what I have to do, I have to wait. In generally, I have to wait. Otherwise, you can force it also. Send and receive all folders means it will like a refresh type. It will check with your server. If any mails are there, it will load it. If any mails in your outbox, it will send it. Now it is showing like both send and receive happen. So I got a two mails here. Mail received, and message received. This is reply to all type, and this is just a reply, right? From live. Okay. So again, I am going to here again check it, this one. So because reply all means everybody they are getting mail. See, reply all means I am getting and others also will get the mail. But here only reply. Reply means only two address means who, who is sending a mail to me. If I put a reply, I am replying to that person only. Okay, reply all means who are in that CC list, to list, CC list, everybody get reply. That is important. Reply all. Forward means not in the list. Forward means not in the list. You'll forward to new person, completely new person. Okay, that is the one. So how to delete this one? Yes, delete it. Okay. Okay, so this is sending a mail. Next one is if you have a something like this is a document. I have a document. So if you want to send an attachment, okay. So you have to compose the mail, not file. So go to compose the mail, new mail. Okay. I'm sending a document to Gmail account only. Docker CMDs. So you have to put a dear Latif, like hi Latif, like that, hi Latif, or dear or the star, like that. You should give properly. Okay. Please find attachment. Caps are small. Okay. Please find attachment. So if you are done attachment thing, so you have to put a please find attachment. That's enough actually. Okay. Attachment. Okay. So Docker commands sending, like if you want to add any message to it, you can put it. Okay. So compulsory you must use thanks message or sincerely welcome greetings. You can use greetings also instead of thanks. Like I'm giving you information, so I no need to thank you. Okay, so I'm requesting you. I should tell thank you. So that's the different. Okay, I'm giving you information means I should tell thank. No need to thank you. Just I can say greetings like hi, hello, like that kind of stuff. Okay, yours lovingly. Never use yours lovingly. You are not writing a love letters in email, right? So you are lovingly like that. You are obediently. Obedience never use, guys, in any mail communication. Your faithfully is good, but don't use obediently. Obediently means you are obedient to them, so they you are submitting. Okay, like that one. So that is the British rule time completed. So we know we should not use British. Faithfully means I'm working for you, like I'm faithfully do work for you, or maybe um, I don't cheat you. That's the faithfully, right? That's okay. Okay, like thanks and regards. That's don't need to be put anything. Okay, thanks and regards. So it is showing a spell check because I done a mistake like this. Regards. You should use your full name. So in any official communication, you should use a full name. Your mobile number. If you want to put a mobile number, you can put it. Important thing is full name. Your role. My role is trainer, right? So I'm a trainer. Okay, and location, which location you are working, like a Pune, or which branch, or which company. So if same company, okay. If different company, then you should tell the company also Pune. Okay, like I put a like Sava and Peace. Okay, Sava and Peace, Pune. So maybe just for understanding only, a Cognizant particular company, like that you can put it mobile number or address or anything indication like what you are. So you have to completely put it. I put a yeah, PF here, right? Means attachments are required. So you have to go to attach file or attach an item. Item means like a business card, calendars. You can see. You can schedule something on a particular thing. If you want to follow up that one, you can click on a follow up today, tomorrow. Okay. So you can attach the file like a document. Automatically it is detect the document. Okay. You can go to this document, or you can search for the file. or you can use just drag and drop. Okay, so you can put a drag and drop like up and down or anything. Drop it. Is it attached or not? It is attached. So anywhere you can drop it. So this is the thing. Then I'm sending the mail. I send it. Okay, so it is sending. If it is sending, if it is not sending, then you can use send and receive that one. Okay, so I received a mail, and then see that is I got it like this. Okay, so this is the file I received. Okay, line. Okay, so this is attachments. But here, if you see all my mails, this is my okay here. If you check my mails or some mails I received, so I'm putting the thanks and regards kind of stuff, right? So if you check it here, so instead of just a mail, so you have to give a signature column, so like a business signature column like that. Click on anything. So, so overall slow. Okay, like this. Okay, so if you see there's a mail, very less, but yeah, this is the mail. Can you see in the bottom, compulsory indication is required. These are records. They're not putting signatures, but anyone, yeah, like this one. Signature. This is a signature. I have another signature earlier. Then Charan sir told like use the signature. He changed a little bit and he put it. So my email ID and my phone number, my position, and my name. Okay, company logo and company difference. Like people know Vedic Soft, Savantis new name. So like that, what happened? Like that. Okay, formerly known as a like. See, this is a communication trainer signature like that. Okay, different signatures are there. So every time we no need to type that signature like a thanks in records or kind of stuff. Not required to type every time. Like I given a signature like this, right? So every time not required. But sorry, every time you need to type it. So how to get it? So we have to create it that way. So I am going to create. It's easy to create from here. Go to signature part, click on signature. No signatures are created. This click on a signatures. Signature. Now email signature, personal stationery like you want to do some font background kind of stuff. Also you can do it. Just I put a signature. Name of the signature. I'm putting my name of the signature. Um, sign one. Sign one. Okay. Any name you can put it, but you should remember what kind of sign. Like if I'm sending a personal messages only, my own personal message to some company or some user or for you, I just send. I don't want to go with a formal signature. I'm going with a casual signature. So I can create one casual signature, one formal signature. So any official communication I'll use formal signature. And can you see? Okay. Uh, and if any form casual mails, then use casual signature. Okay. Next one is you can see web links here. If you want to put a web link to that one, picture and a business card. Yeah, like you created your own business card. So like your company logo, your name, address, and email ID like that. So you can directly put a one signature. Get signature templates also there, but if you click here, it will open in a browser. I know that. Okay, and it will take time. Okay, so you can create your own signature from that templates also. So any existing templates are there, you can use it. Get a template, something is showing, but all these things will take a lot of time to load, so I don't want to use any other things. So I will put a, it's my mouse, it's not stable. Thanks, and regards. Okay, thanks and regards like a Latif. So I put a Latif, my trainer. Okay, so trainer and Savantis, Pune, Pune. Okay, phone number 814-388. So why we need a phone number here? Like email, okay, like students dot cms dnvr, like that, okay, at the rate gmail. So instead of student, I put a Latif students. Okay, so trainer um, cms dngr. So like I can use whatever it is my wish only. So like that. Okay. This is a signature. Just I created a signature uh, like this. Now I created a signature. Now you can see a signature. So I'm not typing anything here. So but I'm going to send a mail to live.com. Okay. Subject is again test a message with sign. Okay. So here I put a hi, Latif. Okay. Test MSG with sign. Okay. Now I want to add a signature, right? So instead of writing a signature, go to signature, click on this one. Automatically, signature will come back. Okay. So you, whenever you want to create a signature, so check with your previous people already existing signatures from your company. So you are working in a company like you're working in a Cognizant. You received a mail from Cognizant. Then you have to put the Cognizant. So you seen that their signature, so you can follow the same signature, or ask your HR how to put a signature in a column based on your profile or role. So or you can ask your team leader. So they will tell you what to put it here in a proper order. You can create it. So I'm sending. Okay, now message sent. So see, this is sent messages only. So live, right? I sent to live. So this is live. So I got a mail. Now can you see like this with signature I'm getting. I hope you're understanding. Okay, so this is the things. Okay, so I said about how to send a mail and how to attach a mail and how to add a signatures. Okay, few more are there, like it's not much big deal. Like this is people means like you can make your own contact list here. So you need to search for a every time you need to search for users and contacts like this. Okay. Mm. This is calendar, so you can schedule something in a calendar like a meeting and all. You can send it also. Okay. This is archive, reply all, forward. This is for attending meeting replies. If already any meeting is scheduled in your thing, so this is a meeting reply, or you can create your own meeting kind of stuff. This is meeting reply. So when start, when end, that is a meeting event. You can able to do it. Other side, we have to accept the meeting. So forward as a attachment, something like it is showing, something mobile. Lot of options are there. That's a confusion. Move to where? So you want to move the mails to folder. Already I showed that one, right? Test a team mail. If you have a team mail thing, you can create a team mail and add the user to the team mail like that. To manager done. So direct to manager. Okay, if you have a manager, uh, you have to link to manager to your manager email ID. Like, when you are in colleges, when we are in a colleges, to principal, we don't worry about what is the principal name. You put a to principal, right? Whoever the principal it is, it's to principal, like that. To manager, whoever the manager it is, it's to manager only. But you have to put a forward to, then you have to tell manager to. um, I am trying to find Latif is enough. Okay, so nothing is coming here. More columns, names only, address book. I don't have anything in address book. Find names as a containing. So I don't have anything in address book. That's why it's happening. Okay, so no problem. I'll type my account like Latif. Yeah, it is showing two mail accounts. I put a live account as a to manager options. Um, Short key, something actions and there. So I put a save. I saved it, right? So two, like you can search for a manager. No. Something Control K as I remember. No suggestions. It's not binded. Actually, if it is in a context, press Control K. Automatically, it will search in a context. It is not saved. See, you want to save your changes? No. Okay, why it is this to manager? Yeah, now see, very good. This is directly. Like you want to send to a particular person, like to manager. So you will get automatically, see, automatically it is loading to mail address. Okay. Next one is you can create your thing new. So you can create a quick mails. Like, every time you don't need to search for people. For example, more frequently mail communication with Pavani is there, like Hyderabad management, Sudeshna or Mithun or like that. Like these are our people who are working around my places, right? I want to how to send a mail to so many people. Like so, you can see here. I can create a shortcuts here. Then automatically I can send it. So I no need to worry about so whether it is there or not. Like to search for a mail account and create a login like that, not required. Simply you can create a shortcut to work on it. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so reply and deletes also there. Done means someone said, "Are you done this work?" Like you can send a done work also. We can able to. Okay, so this is the one list. Moving rules. I will tell the rules. This is a categorization of mailing thing. Like some are very urgent, some are not even urgent. Okay, some are in a red color like that. So based on your different categorize your mails also. Okay, so if you click and open do it, you can. So mostly I don't do it all these things. And when I teach also, mostly I will give chance to students only because you people are having lot of patience to open and doing it. So don't worry. This is a reminder window. Okay, to do bar, folder names and all. So this is also shortcuts here. But my point is rules. I don't know how much time we have. Rules and calendars both are important. So I'm going to rules first. So create a rule. Or to create a rule, rules, create a rule. So this is the rule. It is directly showing. But instead of that one, better to go to manage rules and alerts. Then you will get this window. So create a new rule. So I'm going to create a new rule. Okay, 10 minutes, right? Okay, no problem. Create a new rule. Move messages from someone to this folder. For example, I'm going with the first one only. So people are public group. So I'm telling, again, Latif Sheikh @live.com. If you receive any mails from live.com, okay, go to this specific folder. The folder is not created as separately. I'm going to create a new folder here. For example, live mails. Okay, so I put a live mails. Okay, so if any mail from latif@live.com, so that mail is going to this folder. Okay, next. So from the people are public, okay, leave it like that's it. Already we given information, so you don't need to do. So if you want to give the flag for options, send only to me through like this. Okay, there is so many other things also there. You want to modify, you can modify. Otherwise, leave it. Okay. So I'm selecting it. I'm selecting it. Move to specific folder. You want to do now or you want to do later also it will ask. So I want to run like this. These are in this thing. Some mails from latif@live.com is already there. Okay, so that one and new ones also will go to separate folder. Finish it. Now done. Apply. Okay. Do it. So what happened? So can we see like this? Okay, see, this is the mail. I got it from live.com. For example, I'm composing a mail from here. Okay, to do new mail. Okay, from live.com to students.cmsdngr.com. Okay, so subject live mail folder test. Okay, hi students, live mail folder. Yeah, so don't worry about spellings. Thanks. So don't go with short names. Send. So yeah, I didn't give properly cmsdngr@gmail.com. gmail.com. Okay. Very good. Send. So I send a mail. So I'm going to receive a mail. So it will take time to refresh itself to get a new mail, but I forced it. So this is my mailbox. I didn't receive that mail. So this is test mail only. But here in a live mails box, I got that mail. Okay, can you see? Here it is. This is the rules. I created based on a rule. I created a folder based on a particular reception, means like from manager or from HR or like that, based on who is sending mail to me. Also, you can create a mails. You can create a rule based on the subject names also. A specific subject in the mail also you can do, like urgent, project, regarding this project or regarding this batch, like that we can able to create it. Okay, this is stay organized. This is stay organized. Next one is stay up to date. What is stay up to date? Stay up to date means it will show a alert window. So if you receive a mail from some specific people, okay, so you can get a specific messages, display mail from someone in new item, alert window, send alert to mobile phone, and this is play a sound. Okay, so sound may not be come here. I don't know. So yeah, you can use a sound like if you receive a new mail, it will make a sound. Okay, so you can play a sound. You can select the particular sound, something like I don't know. There is sound things. Yeah, here it is. Chimes, alarm, 10. Okay, this is the sound. Okay, and based on the people, like in your mobile phone, you can put a different ringtones based on who is calling to you. Like that, we can do it, or anyone, or anyone. So you can just click on here. So put a anyone kind of stuff. Any. So no motivation, more. Okay, it is not there. Like so, we can put it this one like a letter like this. So here in any, we will going to change this one where my name is like this. Okay, with specific words from any, like this, it is required from any. Sent only to me where my name box like this. Okay, I'm not doing this one currently. Already I done. Okay, I think you're under because time's also going running out. Okay, so I think you understand play up to date like this. This message. Like this is got new mail. Like you can specify a message, got a new mail to from where it is coming. Like you can specify the people. Okay, so you should specify the people or any like that. You can able to assign that one, assign categories. You can assign particular rule kind of stuff. Okay, you can change the rule also. You can rename the rule. You can edit rule the settings. You can move folders like this, mark as a high priority, low priority to it. We can copy the rules like you are want to create again it's a different thing. Like you can copy the rules and paste into rules in different places. Okay, run rules now. So you can do it. Managing alerts. You can create a new alert like when you receive a new mail or a source I have visited, something is there. So, that's why I don't want to touch anything. It will go to this kind of stuff. Guys, anyway, we have a 2 minutes to disconnect. So once it is disconnected, take 15 minutes break and come back. So come back at 4:30. Okay. So sad it is. Oh, everything is got closed. Very good. Okay. So up to now, what you understand, I want to show you that one. I showed it. And next, I will show you the calendar. And if possible, I will show you backup kind of stuff. Okay. So how to do backup. Okay. And that's it. Okay. That is more than enough. Okay. Two things. Already I sent these PPTs to you. Just go through the PPT. Okay. This is 2013 model PPT. Okay, we use 19, so maybe options are little bit different. This is also prepared by Madhusudan Reddy sir only, so Hyderabad lead trainer. So you can go through it once if you have any other things and doubts. So come back at 4:30. Okay, we'll see remaining things. Take a 15 minutes break. It is better for you, like you can understand. So we'll discuss if you want to do it, what to do for yourself. Then I will tell. Okay. So after break. So anyway, 1 minute is there. So better take. Okay. I will restart this one, so it will work better. Again, update and restart is 15 minutes enough. I have to stop the recording.